Hi students, in this video I am going to explain exercise 7.1 problem number 2. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2. This is what given in the problem. First we have to find the distance between these 2 points. Then we have to find the distance between the town A and B discussed in section 7.2, which is given in the textbook. Solution. Here there is 2 points 0, 0 and 36, 15. 0, 0 is the origin point and usually we denote it as O. And we can take the next point as A, B, C or anything else. Now I am going to take it as Q. So let O of 0, 0 and Q of 36, 15 be the 2 given points. Now we have to find the distance. So I am going to write the distance formula. What is the distance formula? Distance between 2 points. So OQ is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now I am going to consider the coordinate of O as x1, y1 and the coordinate of Q as x2, y2, or else you can take the coordinate of O as x2, y2 and coordinate of Q as x1, y1. It's your choice. You can take as you wish. So here I am taking the coordinate of O as x1, y1 and coordinate of Q as x2, y2. Now we are going to substitute these values in the formula. So it becomes square root of 36 minus 0 whole square plus y2 value is 15. So we get 15 minus 0 whole square. Now we have to subtract it and square it. So 36 minus 0 is 36. So square of 36 is 1296 plus 15 square is 225. When we add these two values, we get it as square root of 1521. Now we have to find the square root of 1521. So we are going to use the prime factorization. When we divide like this, 1521 is divisible by 3 because the sum of the digits are divisible by 3. So it becomes 507. Again when we divide this by 3, it becomes 1 time and remainder is 2. When we carry it, it becomes 20. It goes for 6 times 18 and remainder is 2. So it becomes 27. It goes for 9 times. We know that the square of 13 is 169. So this becomes 13 into 13. Again when we divide it, it becomes 13 times. Now, so we need to find the square root of 1521. We have 2 3's. In that we will write 1 3 and we have 2 13's. So when we take square root, it becomes 113 outside. So it becomes 13 into 3, that is 39. So we get the square root of 1521 as 39 units. We don't know the units yet, so we are going to write the units. Now let us move to the second part of this question itself. Now we have to find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2. So what is that given diagram? I will give you the given diagram. This is the diagram which is given in section 7.2. We have to find the distance between A and B. Where is A? Now A is at the origin point at 0, 0. And what is the coordinate of B? The x coordinate is 36 and y coordinate will be 15. So it becomes 36, 15. So here the town A is at 0, 0 and town B is at 36, 15. Even previously we have done OQ. O is 0, 0 and Q is 36, 15. Here the same coordinates only we are getting it. So the distance of AB will be equal to the distance of OQ, which is equal to 39 kilometer. Whereas in this diagram the unit is given as kilometer. So we can write it as kilometer. Whereas in this one we are not known about the units. So just you write it as 39 units for this one OQ. Thank you.